Hi, my name is Joe Kowalski. I'm the Chief Architect, CEO, and co-founder here at ServiceMonster. Now, if we were sitting here one-on-one, I'd ask you to tell me the top 3 things that this product has to do in order for you to consider it a success. And in the 15 years we've been doing this with thousands of service providers through this process, the responses are very similar. They want to keep better track of their customer data and history. They want better control over their scheduling and to minimize their drive times. They want to automate much of their business and marketing processes. You need reporting to help you track your key performance indicators and make sure you're on track with your goals. And you want all of that wrapped up in an awesome app that does accounts receivable, integrates with QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online, is able to snap into your website and pull in leads, allows you to use multi-touch sales processes through our opportunity, and create campaigns for direct mail, email, call, and export. And to all of that, I say, welcome to ServiceMonster.